what's going on, guys? This is Viper Attack on PC, and guess what? We're back with episode 3. Guess what? I played Chicken HQ a pretty good amount of times, and I leveled up to level 5, and I got Hawk Dive and Headshot, and I think we already covered that. But I got some new armor. And, this is pretty much my, my layout, pretty much. I'm thinking about getting this. But, oh, sweet. Ranger crossbow. 23 physical armor, 29. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. Shiny crossbow. I don't think I need that. Vermin hide tunic. Mine's better. And this one is, this one looks pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and equip that and sell that. And I'm gonna get this Ranger crossbow. So, that's pretty much my layout. And I have a good amount of gold. So, let's wreck this guy. Pretty nervous about this, guys. Who do you think's gonna win? Pokemon? Alright. This is a hard castle. It says difficulty on hard. So, I don't know, man. I'm pretty nervous. Oh, crap. We are owning. Okay, here we go.
Watch and learn.
I'm not sure those are very friendly, but let me wreck these guys. And these guys are done. Dude, stop. Oh, gosh. I don't think they're ready for my level 5 bow. That's what I think. Watch this, I got this headshot ability, it's pretty sweet. BAM! He's done. That's a one-shot. They're gone. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh, sweet, I got a vermin hide shoulder pad. Those are always good. You always want those. He's gone. Oh gosh. That vortex looks healthy to jump in. I'm not really sure where we're supposed to go. Like, I mean, honestly. So I beat all these guys. Do you guys have any idea? I'm gonna pause until we find the way. Mini map. So yeah, that could come in handy. So yeah, I found a ring. Ooh, pretty snazzy. This snotter. Give me that health.
Right to the boost.
Yeah. Couldn't have said it better myself. He's gone. Go get him! They're gone.
Just need to catch my breath.
That was pretty easy. Get over here! Oh gosh, that felt good probably. Oh, I need to get out of this line. Here! Get out! Ah! I'm just gonna keep getting hit.
Goes down nicely.
Let me guess. I can't get through that? Okay. That's kind of weird. Oh. Okay.
Who's next?
Oh, that headshot skill's a one hit on those giants. Holy rank. You can wreck them. Man, that was pretty hard. So I guess I'm supposed to go around here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Bam! They're done. Whew. I think we're close to finding him. Oh, that's a one-shot. That is a one-shot. We got some life force. Oh, this is where it goes down, guys. Oh, gosh. Ah, he's killing his own. Oh, gosh. Get out of there, man. Get out of there. Get that out of here.
Only a scratch. Good motion.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh gosh. We just hit a leg spike. Dun 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 dun. Get him! Get him! Get him! He's gone. No, I don't want to go in there. Oh gosh.
Not doing so good over here.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get out of there if you're not gonna fight! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Get out of there! Get. Q. Let me Q this. I'm gonna Q to heal. Oh my gosh! Okay, there we go.
My favorite flavor.
What is it? Health? Probably. Oh my gosh! Get out of here! 3. Help me! Help me, Fox! Help me! Get him! Get him! I'm going to die!
I don't get out that easy.
Oh my gosh! Fight! Holy crap! I'm dying out here, guys! Holy crap! Get the heck out of there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy crud. I'm out of potions. I knew this day would come.
Much better.
Come on, Fox, get him. Oh. Phew. I'm getting so much stuff, man. Whoa, get back. Those are gerbils. Those are gerbils on steroids, everybody. Get back. What does E look like? Okay, that looks better.
Gotta step out of the line of fire.
Okay, I'm glitching out again. Oh man, I'm gonna let everything regen. This might be the boss battle, guys. Oh my gosh. You guys want to talk about a hard castle to beat? Holy crud. What the heck? This is fog. Oh my gosh. Here he is, guys. Here he is.
Come here, tough guy.
Oh gosh, that's nasty. I'm just laying him down, guys. I don't know what else to say. He's farting again. Gosh. What a pig.
I need a vacation.
No kidding. Is he gonna kill me before I kill him? Find out on the next Housewives. Oh no! No, I can still respond. Yes! Yes! No! Oh man. I'll pause it until we get to the guy. Made it back. Here we go.
Forecast calls for arrow showers.
Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, he's farting again. No, not the farting. Okay, I'm getting wrecked. Get out of here. I'm gonna try and get over to that life thing. Yes, got it. once I get rid of these guys. Okay, it's just me and Captain Snottingham. Oh gosh. Birdie, I need you to attack! Why are you waiting? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so sorry. Get out of the way! Are you kidding me? Come on!
I need a medic!
Move! Like, my guy is not moving. Oh my gosh. He's doing the thing again. This is gonna be crazy. Come on! Oh no! What? Yes! What? I killed him! Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Next episode, guys, Captain Snottingham is gonna fall like a rock.